Listen, if you're watching this right now, it means something inside you is done tolerating the life you're living. You're sitting here, staring at the screen, and there's a voice inside whispering, "Enough." Listen to that whisper and turn it into a roar, because there's a version of you that must die. Not physically, but mentally, emotionally, habitually. It's stealing your tomorrow right now. Every time you hit next, every time you click later, every time you choose comfort over progress, you feed it. Stop. Bury it. Feel no regret. It's not cruelty, it's the only path to freedom. You want a better life? Then stop dreaming and start destroying everything that keeps you from having it. Your old identity is just a collection of habits, fears, and excuses that once helped you survive. But survival isn't the goal, thriving is. And for that, your old self has to go. It will resist, it will cry, it will beg for mercy. Let it scream. If it screams, you know the process is working. Pain is the indicator of growth. If it doesn't hurt, you're not moving. Every morning is a chance to bury a piece of who you were. Not tomorrow, not Monday. Now, wake up first. Do the work no one sees. Discipline is doing what you must, even when you don't want to. It's the small victories that build a new identity. Woke up, did it. Tired, did it. Afraid, did it. In these silent acts of strength, a person is born who cannot be limited by their old self. You want proof? Fine. Look around. Those who made it didn't look for easy paths. They did the things you promised yourself you'd start someday but never did. They structured their lives. Sleep, nutrition, work, rest. Everything serves the mission. They don't have time for excuses. They have standards. Standards are the moral laws of your life. If your standard is a little better, you'll stay a little better. If your standard is no half measures, you become a different class of human. Choose the standard that kills your old self. Don't fool yourself. Motivation comes and goes. You can't build a house on the windy gusts of inspiration. You build it on daily decisions. A decision is a promise you pay for with action. Action is currency. Spend it on procrastination, you go broke. Spend it on discipline, you create something permanent. Every time you do what's necessary instead of what's comfortable, you feed the new version of you. It grows. It becomes hungry. It pushes the old one out. And understand this, you don't become the perfect version of yourself overnight. No romance. This is craftsmanship. It requires repetition. It requires painful devotion to the craft. Throw every excuse you're wearing like armor into the fire. They don't protect you, they drown you. Build a new environment. People who support your weakness must stay behind. Your friends don't have to be your growth angels. Examine your circle. If someone pulls you down, let them go. Growth never happens in a place that restrains you. Every no to the old version is a step forward. Every yes to the new one is a foundation stone. No negotiations, no compromises. You're either moving forward or dying slowly. And yes, there will be grief. Burying your old self requires mourning the bitter loss of habits that felt comfortable. Cry it out quickly and move on. Grief is the price you pay for leaving the comfort zone. Pay it without hesitation. Keep it simple. Define your daily standard. What must you do today so your future self says thank you? Write it down. Do it. Repeat tomorrow. A simple plan, brutally effective. Don't complicate it. Complexity is an excuse. Standards are action. Make discipline the language of your day. Don't let emotions dictate decisions. Feelings come and go. Results stay. You don't need to feel motivated to act. You need to act to feel your strength. Progress is the best antiseptic for fear. Take small steps and cut your doubts with progress. When you see results, fear loses its power. Listen closely. Your future self is already inside you, watching, waiting, ready to emerge, but only if you stop feeding the old version. Every time you choose convenience, you give it oxygen. Every action toward your goal is a surgical cut that frees space for a new life. Act so that your next month looks like it was built by someone who refuses half measures. Remember one thing: evolution doesn't ask for permission, it demands payment. Pay with discipline, pay with routine, pay by removing everything that doesn't serve your mission. Be ready to walk alone if needed. Most people aren't ready, and that's their problem, not yours. You're the one who decides and executes. And one last thing: be ruthless with your weakness, but merciful with the process. The process is your teacher. It will break you, shape you, refine you. Take the old skin and burn it. Leave the ashes behind and build a new foundation. Tomorrow, you'll wake up and do what you didn't do yesterday, and then again and again. Bury the old self daily. Stand up right now and begin. So keep listening, because now we're getting to the most important part, the moment where you stop just understanding the ideas and start installing them into your life. Most people get only as far as inspiration. They listen to videos like this, nod their heads, say yes, I need to change my life, and then change nothing. They stay spectators, but you have to become a participant, someone who takes an idea and turns it into action. Because understanding without action is the illusion of progress, and illusion is the worst drug. Your brain will resist you. It will throw thoughts at you. Later, not now. I'm tired. Let's start tomorrow. This is the program of your old self. It doesn't want to die. It's clever. It uses your voice. It uses your fears. It even uses your laziness to convince you that you're not capable. Remember this: that's not you talking, that's your old version clinging to life. And every time you act in spite of these thoughts, you choke it. You take its power away. You cut off its oxygen. You become stronger. And here's what you need to understand right now: your new version is not the result of inspiration. It's the result of repeated pain, repeated discipline, repeated decisions to move forward even when no one is watching. Winners aren't the people who are motivated. Winners are the people who do. Don't be the one who listens. Be the one who rises. You must build a life that leaves no space for your old habits. Don't give your old self a corner to hide in. Eliminate every escape route. Leave only the path forward. If you want to become a new person, change your environment, change your routine, change your standards, change the language you use when you talk to yourself. Stop asking, why is it so hard for me? Start asking, why do I still allow myself to be weak? Stop waiting for support. No one owes you support. This is your war. This is your transformation. This is your character. You're leveling up. And if you think you can go through this journey without resistance, you're wrong. Struggle is required. Pain is required. Doubt is required. But the result is also guaranteed if you don't give up. There's something people never talk about. When you start becoming a new person, people around you will notice, and not everyone will be happy about your growth. Your discipline will irritate some. Your progress will intimidate others, because your rise makes their stagnation painfully visible. Don't listen to them. Don't explain yourself. Don't justify anything. You don't owe anyone anything. This is your life, and you decide who you become. Discipline is not punishment, it's freedom. When you control your actions, you control your future. When you control your habits, you control your character. When you control your character, you control your destiny. This is the chain that leads you to who you're meant to be. And it all starts with one simple step: stop doing what your weaker version would do. Here's what I want you to understand: you're not facing challenges, you're restructuring your identity, you're rewriting your story, you're tearing yourself away from your past like you're shedding an old skin. It's unpleasant, it's uncomfortable, but it's inevitable. As long as you keep living like the person you used to be, you'll never become the person you're supposed to be. Starting today, let every step you take prove that your old self is already dead. Don't revisit it. Don't revive it. Don't speak to it. Just move forward. You're building a new life, a new character, a new discipline. You're creating someone who will be dangerous because of their determination and unbreakable strength. And if you continue, one day you'll wake up and realize you've become the person you used to only imagine. Not because of a dream, but because of daily choices. Because of refusing laziness and excuses. Because you took responsibility for your evolution. So, right now, don't postpone it. Lift your head, clench your teeth, and start moving. Because you're either becoming who you're meant to be, or you remain a shadow of who you could have been. The choice is made every day. And today is that day.